In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video box on your page and link it to a video file stored on your computer so your readers can play it directly inside the PDF. With your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, start by clicking Edit. This brings up the editing tools so you can modify elements on the page. If you don't immediately see the option you need, look for the More button in the toolbar or panel. Clicking More expands additional tools that aren't shown by default, which is where the rich media options typically live. Next, click Video. This activates Acrobat's video placement tool and changes your cursor so you can define where the video will appear. Take a moment to decide the exact spot on your page. Think about how it will look alongside your text and images, and leave enough room so the playback controls are easy to access. Now, click and drag across the page to drop your video area. You're essentially drawing a rectangle that will become the video player window. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. Acrobat lets you move or resize this rectangle later if you need to fine-tune the layout. When you release the mouse, Acrobat opens a dialog so you can connect a video file to the box you just created. In the dialog, click Browse. This option tells Acrobat you want to choose a video from your local files, rather than, for example, using a web URL. Browsing gives you a clear, repeatable way to point to the exact file you intend to embed or reference. Navigate to the video you have on file, select it, and click OK. For the best compatibility, a common format like MP4 with H.264 encoding is a good choice, and keeping the file size reasonable will help your PDF remain responsive. After you click OK, Acrobat links the video to the frame you drew and displays a poster area with playback controls. If the box isn't exactly where you want it, you can drag it to a new position or adjust its corners to fit your layout. That's all there is to it. You clicked Edit, opened More to reveal additional options, chose Video, dragged to create the playback area, used Browse to locate your file, and confirmed your selection. Your PDF now includes an embedded video experience your audience can play directly within the document.